So you found an opportunity you would like to pursue. What's next? Navigate to the Evaluate Proposal tabs. Here is where you will find all the opportunities you have made a go decision on. We will go ahead and click on one now. This will land us right in the Evaluate tab of an opportunity. Here you can see all of the important details such as opportunity ID, description, your fit score, partners, and so on. The AI chat tabs are where the real magic happens. These tabs will help you identify pain points or weaknesses that could cost you down the line. The tabs being gaps, score, best practices, and compliance. As you can see, we have already generated a chat with the gaps tab. Let's go ahead and click the pencil icon to create a new chat. Select your reviewer role, then upload and select your proposal and solicitation documents. When the system has successfully loaded your deliverables, you may now begin evaluation by selecting the recommended prompt or ask your own questions. Then get clear, detailed, actionable feedback, all from the perspective of a real evaluator.